Are you wondering which investment platform is better for you? Today, we are comparing Wealthsimple and Questrade. Both tools help you invest your money and grow your wealth. They offer different features and services to suit various needs. Let's start with Wealthsimple. It's known for its user friendly interface and automated investing. You answer a few questions and it creates a personalized portfolio for you. It's perfect for beginners who want a hands off approach. Plus, Wealthsimple offers socially responsible investing options. Now, let's look at Questrade. This platform is more geared towards active traders and those who want more control. You can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options. Quested provides powerful tools and research resources. It's great for those who like to make their own investment decisions. So, what are the key differences? Well, Simple is all about automation and simplicity. Quested focuses on flexibility and control. If you prefer a set it and forget it style, well, Simple is your best bet. But if you want to dive deep into trading, Questrade is the way to go. When it comes to features, Wealthsimple offers automatic rebalancing and tax loss harvesting. Questrade gives you advanced charting tools and real-time data. Both platforms have mobile apps, but Questrade's app is more robust for active traders. Now, let's touch on pricing. Wealthsimple has a simple fee structure with no commissions on trades. Questrade typically charges lower fees for trades, but you might pay for some services. In the end, if you're new to investing or prefer a hands-off approach, go with Wealthsimple. If you're experienced and want to take charge of your investments, choose Questrade. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.